Hello everybody, today I will show you some keyboard shortcuts to use for your ribbon. First thing what you need to have in mind, if you don't have the section, the ribbon section, you can go here in the right on top. You can left click on the ribbon display option, left click, and if for example I have only show tabs like this, I will press again this icon, ribbon display option, and I will select show tabs and commands. Now if you have a mouse with a wheel, it's very easily, you can scroll down on the wheel, and like you see I move in the right, formulas, data, new tab, review, view, help, and if I will scroll up, you can see I move in the left with each section. If you want to use shortcuts, it's very simple. You need to press Alt key on your keyboard, and like you see now, I have for each section a letter. For home it's H, for insert it's N, and if I need to go in data and if I need to select filter, for example, I can press T, and here you can see I have the filter selection. Thanks guys for watching me and have an excellent day.